I know brides who actually come up to us and say that, hey, how can the wedding go viral? There's no science to this. There is no algorithm to this saying that this works, but it's just about internet or the social media liking a certain perspective. Bridal entries or varmalas which work really well. Now the same thing if you do with a groom's making, it's never worked. Like whenever I've put out a picture on Instagram and if it's a very creative shot and it's a black and white shot, it'll barely have any like. These 20 pictures will work really well on the internet because I think today everybody has figured out the hack that, you know, brides do well, portraits do well, bride ki entry does well, like a lehenga gets viral or a bun gets viral or the makeup gets viral or the kaliras, the chudas get viral. You put out a picture with a dog and a bride, it has to be picked up by every blogger. There's no way that a dog and a bride will not be picked up by any blogger.